In this video, we are going to learn that how we can easily rename bulk files in our computer within a few clicks. Let's say here we have some files in JPEG format and we want to change the name of these files from picture 1, picture 2, picture 3 into project ABCD underscore 1, project ABCD underscore 2 and so on. So from where we should get started? First of all, we need to go into the folder in which we have files for which we want to change the name. Then what we will do, we will simply click in the address bar and we will copy from here the file path or the path where our files are located in our system. Then we need to go to the browser. Whatever browser you have, don't worry, you can use any browser. When you will open the browser, you need to paste the link or file path that you have copied into the address or URL bar. So I have been pasted, I will press enter. Then after that you need to use shortcut key Control A to select everything that you have. Then Control C to copy. Then you need to open a blank Excel file. I have been opened the blank Excel file and then I will paste everything here. I will delete everything from the data I have been pasted here except the file names. So I have been pasted here. Now I have here original, the file names, you can see picture 1, picture 10 and so on. I will simply copy it and I will paste it here as values. So I will delete the original file names. Now you can see I have here file names as values here. Now what I need to do in first column, I need to write here rename. So I will write here rename in all these cells equal to the number of cells in which we have file names. The next column we need to keep blank. In these blank cells, what we need to do, we need to insert this space. Then we will just drag it down in order to have one space in all the cells. Then next, our third column, we need to insert quotation mark. I will insert quotation mark. I will use Control Enter to bring the quotation mark in all the selected cells. Then again, I will just copy and I will paste this quotation mark in fifth column. Meaning, in beside the original file names, we need to bring the quotation mark at start and quotation mark at the end. Then again, next column or sixth column, we will insert the one space, again one space, and I will drag it down to have one space in all the cells. Then next again, in seventh column, I will simply copy and paste quotation mark, and then again I will leave one column blank and next column I will insert a quotation mark. Then in eighth column or in this column that we leave blank, we need to insert the file name that we want to replace. For example, here is file name picture 1.jpeg. Here we want to replace, let's say, project abcd1.jpeg. What we will do, I will simply copy it and I will paste it here. As you can see, we need to replace picture with project ABCD, right? So what I will do, I will simply use shortcut key Control H to open find and replace window. What I will do, I will write here picture, and what I want to replace, I want to replace project ABCD. Then I will do replace all and here we go. Okay, I will just close it and you can see here in first column we have rename, in next column or second column we have one space only, third column we have quotation mark, then fourth column we have original file name, fifth column again we have quotation mark, sixth column we have one space only, seventh column we have quotation mark, in eighth column we have the file name that we want to replace, then ninth column we have quotation mark, right? Then what we need to do, we simply need to use here concatenate function. Let's say I will use here concatenate function and then I need to combine here all these things. I will use here concatenate function. Sorry, I need to use concatenate function, then first cell, comma, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth, comma and ninth. So I have been selected all these cells with comma. I will close parentheses, enter, and I will simply drag it down. So I drag it down and now you can see we have been combined all these cells here. Now what I will do, I will simply copy it. I will open Notepad. In Notepad, I will simply paste it and then I will go to file. I will do save as and I will save this file exactly in the location where I have the original files. You can see here I have original files, this computer, new volume, bulk rename files in computer. So in the same location, I will go to this bulk rename files and I will save here file as maybe cmd.cmd. I need to save the file in cmd format. I will save, then I will go to the folder where I have files, and now I need to click on this file that I have been created. I will double click on this file and you can see within a few seconds the file names have been created. So friends, that's all for today. If you like this video, if you get something beneficial from this video, please don't forget to give thumbs up. Don't forget to share this video with your friends, and also don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel. Thanks for watching. See you in next video. Bye bye.